My name is Laurie Essig. I just wrote a book called American Plastic: Boob Jobs, Credit Cards, and Our Quest for Perfection. And what I found with cosmetic surgeons is these are people who come out of medical school with $100,000 in debt, sometimes $200,000 in debt, because we don't fund higher education in this country, and because we demand that people take out a lot of debt to get it. They often think that they might just do a little cosmetic surgery on the side just to help. And it ends up eating more and more into their practice because they're in debt, they end up with a mortgage, maybe a second mortgage. They end up wanting to send their children to universities that are increasingly expensive. I found myself feeling as if, whether it was a cosmetic surgeon or a 50-year-old woman who had just gone through a divorce and was trying to figure out a way to survive in the job market, or myself, an aging white woman, academic, writer, I felt like we were all sort of trapped in this exact same problem, and a problem that required structural solutions that we had to work on together, not say, oh, those bad cosmetic surgeons or those bad people at the beauty magazines or those bad people in Hollywood. We're all feeling insecure economically. We're all feeling insecure about the future. What can we do as a society, not as individuals, but as a society, to make higher education free to people who deserve it? What can we do to make sure that age discrimination is not happening in jobs? What can we do about that? Can we really hold employers accountable? What can we do to make sure that women who go through divorce are not as economically vulnerable? There's all sorts of decisions we need to make as a society on how to provide more security, real security to people, and buying a boob job isn't going to do it at that level, right? It might make you feel better, it might make you look better, but we need bigger solutions to these problems.